This is the Asus ROG Gaming Desktop. This thing is a beast. Mine came with the Intel i7 11700F CPU. That thing is a beast for gaming. Also, it pairs up really well with the included RTX 3070 graphics card. And it came with 512GB NVMe drive, 1TB hard drive, and 16GB RAM. The components, the parts are good quality. They all run so well together. Really nice semi-modular power supply. Everything with RGBs, the case is nice, everything is good. Now, as you see, the computer is empty right now. That's because I took all the components out. I'm gonna put it into a different computer. But before I do that, I wanna show you all the components so you see exactly what components it comes with. Why am I taking it apart? Well, good question. This computer has lasted several months and it has worked fantastic. The only thing is, it's very high performance, and this case is a little bit small, so that means there's a lot of heat that accumulates up inside, which is fine because the fans spin up really fast to exhaust all that heat, so your computer runs and it works, but it gets loud. Like those little fans spin so fast. I want to get a bigger case to put it in so I can get better cooling, like a liquid cooler, and more better airflow, you know? But before I do that, I want to tell you all the components that came with this computer. The cool thing about all the components is that even though it's a pre-built, nothing is proprietary. Everything is pretty much parts that you would pick up off the shelf if you're building your own computer. The motherboard, the RAM, the hard drive, the power supply, the graphics card, all these components, every component in here is just off-the-shelf parts. So if you need to replace them or upgrade them, easy peasy. The motherboard that comes with is the Asus B15CE-G gaming motherboard with Wi-Fi 6. With 4 memory slots right here, you got nice expansion slots right here, you got extra USB ports back here, and you got the 2.5 gigabit LAN, you got USB Type-C, just a lot of good stuff for a motherboard that comes pre-built, pre-assembled into a computer. When you take off the heatsink, you see right there, there's the NVMe drive. It's a Western Digital SN530 NVMe drive, 512GB drive right there. And plus you got a nice heatsink cover right on top that covers it up, makes it look really clean. As for the RAM, you got these two sticks, 8GB each of SK Hendrix 3200 megahertz RAM right here. No heatsink, nothing fancy, it just works. 8GB each, 2 of them gives you a total of 16GB RAM. Boom, right there. The graphics card that comes with is a Asus Dual RTX 3070 graphics card. Boom, right there. This thing is a beast. It's got 2 HDMI ports and 3 display ports. It's got even a switch right here so you can go between performance and quiet mode. It's a nice card. It's the official Asus Dual card, as you see right there with the dual wording. Asus Dual. Dual fan, nice heat sink and heat pipe in there. Runs nice and quiet with high performance. The power supply that comes with is nothing fancy, but it is an 80 plus gold 750 watt power supply by a brand called Great Wall. Yeah, I know, Great Wall, right? Yeah, but whatever. Here are the specs of the power supply. It's not bad. You get 750 watt, 80 plus gold, and it's also semi-modular. Look at that, you have semi-modular cabling, makes it nice and clean, and it works. It just works, guys. It also comes with a 1TB, 7200 RPM Toshiba hard drive. Those are the specs right there. Nothing fancy, but 1TB of extra storage is always welcome in my book. Well, there you have it. Those are all the components that came included in this pre-built ROG Gaming Desktop by Asus. You see all the components are now pulled out and ready to go into my new computer case. Like I said, there was nothing wrong with all the components in here. It's just high performance and it runs a little bit hot, and this case is a little bit small for extra cooling, so that's why I'm taking it out and putting it into a new computer case with lots more cooling. Oh yeah, it also comes with Windows 10 and everything is really ready to go. So there you have it, folks. The Asus ROG Gaming Desktop, RTX 3070 graphics card, Intel i7 11700F CPU. All you need for gaming, content creation, Photoshop, Lightroom, everything you can do, everything you want to do, it can do. Oh yeah, you want to stream OBS, gaming and streaming at the same time? This thing got you covered. This beast is ready for you. Are you ready to handle this beast?